What up, fam? Welcome back to another vidya of Automobuilds. Where's Callie dog? There's a Callie dog. She's like, I hear Dad talking. What's going on out there? Oh, it's early in the morning-ish. Holiday. What is it? Columbus or Indigenous People Day. Have the day off for work. I'm off all week, actually, because I have family visiting, and they are upstairs. Anyway, yeah, we're gonna get back at it here, taking this sucker apart. Almost got all the clips and fasteners off. Almost. Need to pull the rest of those. I got like 2 plugs in the back here somewhere hiding. Oh yeah, that damn thing still hasn't come off. Ugh, gotta figure that out. Then I got a new impact, which is gonna make life a lot easier because, yeah, forget wrenching everything off 20 minutes at a time. We're gonna expedite things with this. Right, Callie? That's right. She says, right, Dad. That's right. Yeah, so let me get my camera set up here. We'll dive right in. Such a weird expression. What a weirdo. What a weirdo. All right. So, the challenge we are facing here is getting this stupid plug back here. It's like tough to reach. And I don't know exactly how it's supposed to come out. There's like a tab here. Doesn't seem like it wants to move. It doesn't want to move. Which is frustrating. Driving me nuts. Dude, this thing just comes out of here, I swear. Oh, come on. I hate this crap sometimes. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get me some pliers. Alright. This don't work, then you know something ain't right. Okay, come on. Dude, does this go up and out? What the fuck? What the F, YouTube? What in the hell is the deal here? It's like, sits in there, doesn't move. It's a sensor of some sort. Break it. Don't want to break it, you dark. This is a tough one. Sure ain't easy, that's for darn sure. I just don't know how this is supposed to come out. That's the tough part. I'm gonna rip the damn thing off is what I'm about to do. Just rip it out of there and get a new one. Doesn't that just irritate anyone else? Like, drives me nuts. Just like you make these weird ass clips. Can't you just make a fucking standard clip to make it all complicated and shit? Just have them screw on or something. Screw it. Yeah. I might just get angry and rip it out, you know, buy a new one. Fuck it. We'll see. Don't want to do that, but I'm getting there. I'm getting there. Let me tell you. Let me tell you, I'm getting there, boys. Here we go. I got some channel locks. Maybe these SOBs get on there and rip her off. Dude, if this video is just me trying to freaking take this plug off like the last three, I'm gonna... It's just ridiculous at this point. It's ridiculous. Okay, there's no, that's not right. Like, I'm pulling way too hard on this thing. Something else is going on here. Can't really see it either. It's like in the back of the damn car. Hiding in the back there. Can't see what I'm doing. Scratching. Oops. Scratching on my paint up. It's okay, we're gonna have to buff it and clean her up after anyway. Alright, piece of crap. What is the trick here? Does this go up and not down? Because that would be really stupid. I really don't understand how this comes off. It looks weird. There's like 15 freaking little knobs and clips on it. And then these weird tabs. Maybe I just have to like flip those out. And then, oh my God, dude, really? Why did they even put the fucking clipper thing on it? Bruh, no way. Wait, that doesn't seem right. What the fuck is this? What's going on here? Dude. Just come off the damn thing. Ah! This is so frustrating. I don't want to break it. I feel like I'm gonna break it. Oh my God. Okay, we've got a tab here. We got a tab here. That moves that back. But then it's just like exposing the wire. It doesn't seem right. What the fuck? Whoever designed this is an asshole. Oh, there we go. I just broke it off. Kinda-ish. Whatever, it's done, finally. Holy crap, look at that. Miracle. It's a freaking miracle. Alright, now we gotta take this stupid hose off here. Oh, I got a panel clip remover for that. Woo! Holy crap, I am sweating from that. I'm dripping. I'm dripping. I'm leaking. Alright, I'm really glad that that's finally off of there. So now we've got to, let me give you a little zoomy in close up. Hang on. See? That clip right there finally came off. Finally. Good times. Happy dusting. In my happy dusting now. Well, all I gotta do is somehow pull the. Can you see me okay? I think you can. I'm gonna get this sucker out of here. Where's my flashlight? What'd I do with my flashlight, boys and girls? Here it is. Found it. Here we go. So here. Old clips and fastener life. Y'all know how this goes. Gotta be gentle. Or just fuck it. Sometimes I prefer the F it approach. It's almost out of there. Come on. Every single clip on this car is a pain in the booty. Damn, dog. That one's gnarly. For real, I don't know how mechanics work on this crap all day without breaking stuff. Like, I'd straight up just be ripping these damn things out and breaking them. In fact, I know what I'm gonna do to take this off. Fuck it, I'm cutting it. I'll zip tie the damn thing back on there. Be easier than this bullshit. Bam. Goodbye. Easy work. All done. Clips out. This goes to the annoying intake manifold. Yeah! Now, gotta use our fancy pants labeling system. Rear. Okay. Intake. Manny. There we go. Rear of the intake manifold. Whoop. Little peel action. Little ripperoonie. We're good. We're good to go. Yes, sir. There we go. Now this sucker can come out of here. That's gonna have to come off. Well, we'll get that off here in a second. Another hose back here that has to come off too. That's right here. To pry that sucker off. We'll have to give that the old pry. Pry, baby. Maybe it's easier if I just unbolt the damn thing and start pulling it off. I could probably get this back here easier. Probably make it easier on me to do that. Maybe. Oh, maybe not. Maybe this will fit. No, probably just gonna take it off. Probably better off just taking it off here. Probably get that guy off though. These things haven't been removed since the car was like brand new. So I don't know. I'm not gonna remember that one either, so I should label it too. Front. There we go. Oh, sorry. I'm over here labeling stuff as you're watching the engine bay silently. Masking tape is a lifesaver when you don't know what you're doing. I know what I'm doing, I just don't know what I'm doing. For the most part, I'm the figure it out kind of guy. And I'm figuring it out. Honestly, I don't have any like worries or concerns about doing this. The only thing that I really would be worried about is finding out something more is broken than I expected. Like if I spun a main bearing and that's around the crankshaft, so if I did that, I have to pull the whole engine basically to rebuild it. And I only have the parts to do the top end right now. So it's kind of good and bad news. The good news is that if I have to do that, like I'm just gonna do the full engine build, the rear end, and finish the car kind of all at once. Do like a 392 stroker, short block or long block stroker, a bunch of nitrous, fully built rear end. But if it's not that screwed up, which I hope it isn't, because then I can ease into that and not just do it all at once and be done. Then we'll just finish this top end rebuild like we planned. And then we'll get like another 100 wheel horsepower out of it. I'll upgrade the rear end later, but not too much later, because that'll probably break next. The stock rear ends in these are only good for like 450, 500 wheel. And this will make about 400, 425 wheel maybe, if I'm lucky. Somewhere right around 400 wheel. The other guys that I've seen, you know, this is not a really uncommon build. This cam's pretty standard from HHP, and most of the cars are making like low 400s on this cam, but all of those cars have stock transmission, stock rear end, and so I have a 3200 RPM locking converter, a fully built transmission with a billet valve body and increased shift pressures and all this other stuff, and a solid aluminum drive or solid 4-inch aluminum drive shaft. So in theory, I should make a little more wheel horsepower because I've basically eliminated all the drivetrain loss from basically the input shaft at the transmission all the way to the rear end. It's all billet aluminum. There's no rubber bushings. The locking converter and the lighter flex plate allows you to use more of your horse ponies. So I don't know. We'll see. It'll be interesting. I'm not going to put it on the dyno because to tune it, I just get a base tune from my tuner. I have to install that air fuel ratio gauge, AFR gauge, And then I'll just do some track, street pulls, whatever. And then send them data logs and have them tune it that way. So I really probably will never know what this thing makes on the dyno because I don't really give a crap about dynos. I just want to go fast. Dyno numbers are cool, but really you can program a dyno to read differently than other dynos. Like Mustang dynos are always seem to be lower horsepower than dyno jets. Dyno jets are pretty common. Those hub dynos are they're supposed to be really accurate, I guess. But again, I don't care. I just want to go fast. Who cares about horsepower, really? Horsepower and torque, it's cool, but you can't put it on the ground. It doesn't really matter. So that's what I'm all about, putting that power on the ground. You know what I'm going to do here. We need to get a socket wrench over here. Turn this sucker off. I have to figure out what size. Wait, does this fit in here? No, that's not the right. Those are too small. They were too small. Where are my bigger? This should be okay. 12. This is probably 10 mil. Everything's 10 mil, right? So let's see here. Got our 10 milli socket. Got our 10 milli. Will that fit here? No, those are not 10. Wait, is this too big? Oh yeah, that's like an 8 millimeter or something. Not as big as I thought. Well, let's try 8. Little 8 mil. Holy crap. 8 mil's too big too. What the hell size is that? It's just a little dinky guy. You know, if I have a socket that small. Yeah, dude. What is it, a 6 or 7? No, there's no way. What the heck? What the front door? What a weird size. Am I crazy? I swear I just tried an 8 and it didn't fit. Oh, I'm stupid. It was 8. It's just that I loosened these the other video. Forgot about that. So it's spinning, which it should. Totally makes sense. So we just need a little extension here. Slap this on the old zipper dipper. Yeah, buddy. Oh, it's gonna make life so much easier. I've never used this before. There, we just saved ourselves like 5 minutes of twisting. Do these not come out for some reason? Maybe they don't come out, they just... Huh. Well, that's interesting. They might not even come out of here all the way, which would be nice, because then I'll have to keep track of them. Wow, I think these are actually like stuck in there permanently. That's good. Easy work. Easy work. Hell yeah. Hell yeah, brother. You're watching the Automobuilds YouTube channel. Well, if Clayton Squirrel were here, I'd have some Hemi brothers helping me out, but they're in a hurricane in Florida, and I'm on the opposite side of the country, literally, in Washington. Opposite side of the country. Oh man, this thing makes so much easy. Why? This makes it so much easier. Where have you been all my life? can't really see back there. I gotta come around here. Aha! We're all done. We're all done here. Finally. Man, this thing made light work of that. Oh, I'm super grateful for this sucker. I really don't think I need another impact now. I've got this one and then like a 700 foot-pounder. Look at these two. Between this sucker and this sucker, I probably pretty much have everything covered, I think. So that's exciting. That's exciting. That's exciting. Oh, I gotta look and see what we gotta do next. But yeah, so that's what we're gonna do. I gotta figure out what to do next. Look at my sheet over here, which is over here actually. I can get it. What are we doing next here? Let's see. We've got this fancy dancy thing. It's not even a word, but I make those up, so don't worry. Yeah. So I got the air intake system off. Remove the intake manifold. Remove the injector plug, map sensor plug, throttle body. I haven't taken that off yet. I don't think I need to. I think it just stays on the freaking intake manifold. We'll see. Probably just leave that on the intake manifold. I don't know why I'd remove it. I'm not replacing it. Vacuum hose on the back of the intake manifold. That's that weird hose I can't get to very easy. So I think I'm going to try to pry the intake manifold off, separate the gasket, and when I have it most of the way off, I'm going to pull that vacuum hose off. Fuel rails will stay on the intake manifold. And then I just got to double check everything, make sure it's disconnected, which I'm pretty sure it will be once I get that vacuum hose off. And then we got to jack the car up and drain the fluids. So yeah, I'm gonna have to pull all the underbody panels and all that crap. I've done that a million times, so that's gonna be easy. Might even just pull the front end of the car off because I'm gonna have to drain the coolant. There's a drain valve there. I gotta move the radiator out of the way. Yeah, so that's what's happening next. We'll be doing that in the next episode. Jacking this sucker up and getting to work, draining the fluids. And then we'll just be pulling the heads. Oh man, there's a lot of work ahead of us, so it's kind of exciting. Yep, anyway, thanks for stopping by. Appreciate y'all. Like, subscribe, follow, share, all that good stuff. And we'll see you next time. Peace.